All right, so I tested out some ideas. I actually made like a little prototype. A lot of expression pedals, or at least the one I was using was a Moog one. It's a 50K. I don't know if you can read that. 50K coming in. So since it's 5 volts, one of the things that will do 5 volts is USB does 5 volts. So these outer pins, there's 4 pins. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 2 outer pins are power. But when you strip it out, you see you get 4 wires. The white and the green are actually the ones that are data whenever you're doing stuff. So we don't need those. So we can just cut those out of the way. And then we'll just leave these, the red and the black. The black is the ground, and the red is the 5 volts. My idea was that we can get 5 volts from a power brick here. These things you can charge up, and it's super low current that we need. So this thing, you can pull out. I just have this Velcro to here. You can pull this out, have this charged, and the pedal only pulls the current it needs. So there's no worrying about too much. So the way it works is that I need to get 5 volts to the ring connection here. That 5 volts, whenever this is essentially a potentiometer, limits it and then sends it back on this tip. And the tip is what we're going to send over to the TS. I don't know why I drew a line there. It's actually supposed to be a TS, tip and sleeve. So this tip I'm going to connect to the tip of the other one. The ring will connect to the 5 volt power supply, and then the grounds the shield or whatever, here, and the battery will all connect together. That's how it works. So in this box, I have, one of these is a stereo plug for the TRS, the expression pedal, and the TS is for the tip and the sleeve. Let me just make sure that this battery, it should fit. So I assume occasionally I'll have to charge this, but, there it goes. Yeah, it's gonna work. Good, okay. I can plug in here and then comes out. So when we look at our box, we have this one over here. We have this one here. We have this one here. And when you look at the plug, you can see that this one aligns down to there, then comes up here, then up to there. So that's going to be the tip. When you plug in, that one makes contact with the tip. So that one goes in. So we're going to say tip. This one, this is not a TRS cable, but you can see that if it was, this ring here, this one would touch the ring, right? See that part? That one actually is this one over here. So that's the ring. And then the shield, it's just the collar. See, the collar's right there. I mean, it's literally just touching it. It's the shield, right? And this is the expression side, expression pedal side. And then on this one, you can see right there, we got the shield, and so it's shield and tip right here. We showed that the tips would connect, right? So you go like this. And then we have our 5 volts plus, we have our negative here coming out of our thing here. This 5 volt will connect to the ring, and the shield will connect to here, and then this ground, I'm going to do a little jump, boop, and connect to there as well. So this one will have 2 wires. It's the only one with 2 wires. And then this is the CV out right there. So let's connect some wires.